Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Pisces. This reading is for the month of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Pisces, your recent past. So let's see our recent past. Judgment, Nine of Cups, Temperance. Wow. I think for some there is reconciliation is already happened. For those who are not reconciled with your person, definitely there will be a reconciliation. Definitely, because the Judgment is here. Nine of Cups. I think you are their wish fulfillment, or they are your wish fulfillment, and you both want reconciliation, or one person want reconciliation in this connection. I think your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Temperance, Sagittarius could be. Patience and balance is needed in this connection, definitely. So if reconciliation is not happened yet, definitely it will going to happen, but patience and balance is needed. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Pisces, what is going on your connection right now? Seven of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Six of Wands. Your person could be Aries, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Things are turning in your favor, definitely, because one person invests on this connection more than the other. Six of Wands. Definitely things are turning in your favor, and your love life is going to be next level, definitely, because your person wants success with you, and definitely reconciliation will happen, and this relationship is going to be next level. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Pisces, your person near future actions towards you. Politics, sneaky energy, experience, Three of Wands, the outsider. Wow, why is cards here? So I want clarification cards here for why is politics. Control. Inner voice, and the clarification card for the outsider. Fighting. I think your person want this connection and they want success with you, and but there is some sneak energy. Your person may be some sneak energy between both of you, because control issues over here. You could be want to control your person, or your person want to control you. High Priestess, definitely trust your intuition. Experience, Three of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. For some there is separation still going on, the outsider and the fighting. So your person may be Knight of Swords. Fighting means Knight of Swords. They want to come towards you very angrily, but reconciliation will happen definitely, because the Wheel of Fortune is here. So I think experiencing. So for final message, let's pull some cards from universe. Then I will tell a final message for you. Clinging of the past. Yes. Turning in. Cards like participation. The last card. Transformation. Death. I think your person undergo some transformation. They want this connection too, because participation. Four of Wands is here. Four of Cups. I think your person right now in meditation state and clinging of the past. Definitely one person is clinging to the past. That's why these issues are happened, controlling issues, whatever, sneaky energy. So once you leave the past behind, definitely things are turning in your favor, because Wheel of Fortune is here. Transformation. Definitely you both will be happy, because Four of Wands. This could be twin flames also. So definitely it will going to be happen, but it will take time, because Temperance is here. So definitely reconciliation will happen. If reconciliation happens, some problems will appear. they will be disappear. Please don't worry, because transformation is here. Your person undergoes some transformation, so please don't cling to the past. Okay, so this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.